Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm excited to show you my Kinner collection another time. These are my Grail dolls. I absolutely love my Kinners. I continue to look at eBay. I have two sets of each hair color except the Raven. I still need a 6-line raven-haired colored Kinner for that way I would have a set of the 6-line and a set of the 7-line. And if you don't know what that means, the first Kinners to come out in 1972 had 6 brand lines on their back telling about the doll and the patent and all that. And then they came out again and they had added a line. So there's 6-line and there's 7-line. The 6-line being the earlier dolls. And I would love to have a complete set. I watch for one. I have 2 of the cases. I love these. These are the original 1972 cases. I store, I have a lot of Kinner clothing. These I made, but I have a lot of original Kinner clothing. This one came without the drawer. The drawer was gone. Look what Darren did. He made a 3D printed drawer just like they came with. He also makes shoes. These fit the any of the registered trademark Kinners. I'm Blythe. Any of your registered trademark Blythe. Kinner, Takara, Ashton Drake, Good Smile.
And I think also the Basaks, don't they?
No, the Basak have heels, but who did I put those on?
I know there was somebody else.
Not the pull-ups, Shibajuku.
Oh.
Shibajuku wear those. And then I have this one, which is really in good shape. As you can see, I have more original Kinner clothing here. This one has the original box. Now you'll see a lot of them, they have Scotch tape across here. Mine doesn't. I really like that. These did not come with the Scotch tape. Mothers did that or kids did that because when you pull this, you obviously wear out the glue. So those are the 2 cases. Oh God, what if I knocked over one of my Kinners? I'd cry in the middle of my video. They are my Grail dolls. I cannot tell you how thrilled I am. Darren also makes these stands. Actually, Darren makes all kinds of custom stands. This was one of the first I asked for, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. The Blythe. And now, because I'm getting the 6 and 7-line dolls, he has upgraded them. Pull her off very carefully. Oops. Too careful. We've added the lines in there. These wooden uprights are wonderful. I really love them, but in different weather, the wood changes. It swells and it what do you call it, evaporates?
Expands.
Dries, expands
and contracts.
Yeah. So I've got an opening today because I also have this girl, and I made her this, but she has original clothing. This is her travel box that when I bought her to take her places. I will be taking her, I never thought I'd say this, but I'm taking a Kinner to BlytheCon, and she might go other places. But that's why I bought this particular doll. Isn't she lovely? Oh, I love her. And Darren made her this stand. She is the brunette, so I have a 6 and a 7-line brunette. And I have a lot of their original underwear, which is amazing to me. But this is what she travels with. I want to show you this. I have these for different size dolls. When I travel with my dolls, I have these, they each have a little container. And I carry extra shoes and a brush or a comb. Some extra clothes in case you're staying over or whatever, or you're doing photos. That way you have this. You can fix their hair if the wind's blowing. If you lose a shoe, it's not a problem. I made this for her. And let's open up her surprise. Let's see. I still need, I gotta be careful with my wrist. I would love to have a couple more of these cases. They are not inexpensive. I just missed out on actually 2 Blythe doll bids on eBay that I had planned to bid on. That's how busy Darren and I are. If I miss a Kenner bid, you know that we were very distracted with one thing or another. Drew, I have my old scissors. Did you see I didn't throw them away? Oh, there we go. They're not as good as the pair you bought me, but those are out in the studio. My Kenners are not going to the studio. They don't go some places. Look what I got. Anyway, there was another one that came up, and boy, it sold for a good cost, and I was heartbroken that I did not get to bid on it.
Somebody's excited about it.
Somebody got a really good deal. In fact, better than I did on this one. Isn't this nice? They come, now these two for sure in the back are nicer than this one, but it is getting harder and harder and harder to get your hands on a nice case. I knew that it did not have the insides, but Dory at Dory's Dollies has a few of these cases. And one thing she did that I saw was she carried, I want to be careful there. I've got them on stands. I just wanted to show you. I think she had 3 of her little Kenners. We met in Cincinnati, Ohio, and we were playing with our dolls on Kenner Street, and she came with her Kenners like that, and I thought, oh my God, what a great idea.
It's a shame you can't fit 4.
I
A
know.
set.
I need more boxes and more dolls.
What's there? 2? You can't fit 4.
But I think she had hers wrapped, and I would too, each singularly with bubble wrap. But that's why I wanted this one that was open, because of course, I think Dory is my Kenner mentor, and I appreciate everything I learned from her. So I'm excited today. I got another case, and I'll be watching for another. And will this girl, let me get her with this hand, get this case, or will it go to these? Well, I think she's going to keep looking on eBay for another. Actually, I like this. It's very safe in the car, and it has more stability than this. But for like BlytheCon, she would like to have her own suitcase.
Okay. Well, it is birthday month starting tomorrow.
Oh, man. And there's one up there. It's kind of expensive, but... Yeah. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you for letting me show off my Kenners one more time. These are my Grail dolls. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you are a Blythe collector and what types you have. Please subscribe. It really means a lot for our channels to add the subscription and the likes and the comments.